Hi class, good morning. Today I will teach you how to create relationship or ER diagram in phpMyadmin. First, you need to create a database. Then, create tables within the database. When creating table structure, make sure class that you properly identified the primary key and the foreign key. For a quick review, a primary key is a field name in the table that uniquely identifies each record and usually found in the parent table. So in this example, on our table on the left side, so this is considered as the parent table. The SLSR num is the primary key of table number 1, while the SLSR num is the foreign key of table 2 as SLSR num. The foreign key class is the field name that is considered as the primary key of another table. So, at table 1, we have SLSR num as the primary key, and the foreign key is the SLSR num of the table 2. Looking at this database, 4 tables have the primary keys such as trep, tcustomer, torder, and then we have the tpart. So, these primary keys identifies the table's records uniquely. So, while the tables that handle the foreign key are the tcustomer with the index SLSR num, we have the torder with the index cusnum, tordline with the indexes ordnum, and partnum. To illustrate an example, so let us try. Okay? So let us try the table tordline with the field names ord number as integer, part number as an index, num of ord as integer, and out price as an integer. So let us try this table which holds the different field names considered as the foreign key. We have the ordnum and the partnum. So let's try. Click save. So let us go to the torder because the torder holds the primary key, which is the ordnum. So let us make sure that the torder sets the primary key of ordnum for us to set the index of the tordline, which is the ordnum, as the foreign key, as seen in the example. So to create relationship, just click more on the upper right side. And then the tables created in the database will be shown. So these are the tables. If we want to create a relationship, just click create relationship on the pane. And then just select the reference key or the primary key of the other table. And then after clicking the primary key, let us click the foreign key, then click OK. Automatically, the relationship will be created. So this is how we create the relationship among the tables. So we just need to repeat the process until you finish the whole ERD diagram. So if we want to delete, just click the relationship or the line that indicate the relationship, then click the delete keyword in the keyboard for us to delete. So we can rearrange the tables in the relationships that we have. So this is how we create the relationship on the given database. So we just need to identify the primary key and the foreign key. For example, we have the trep as primary key, SLSR num. Let us go to the T customer with the SLSR num. Then another relationship will be created. So there are two relationships. So that is how we create relationships on the phpMyadmin. And hope in the future you can create your own database with the relationships. So we just repeat the process until we finish the whole ERD in the given database. Let's say, for example, we have the customer with the cost num. Since that there is an error, we forgot to identify the index. So let's just go to the table structure on the T order and then set the cost num as an index. Then let's go back to the designer and then we index. So we drag and drop by clicking the relationship between T customer and T order, then click OK. So those are the relationship that has been created with the one-to-many relationships between or among tables. I hope in the next activity, so you can able to create an ERD for our assessment task. Thank you and may you have a great day ahead.